Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Mango Royal Milkshake franchise business ideas. Mango Royal, one of the best fresh mango milkshake in the Philippines. It started with a love for mangoes. In the year 2018, Mr. and Mrs. Lhydie and Jonathan Gianan started to sell fresh mango shake. The business was inspired when the owners see the potential and love of Filipinos for mango. Mango Royal Milkshake was founded to introduce a mango milkshake made with the premium quality ingredients accessible to everyone. They opened their doors to franchisees with the same goal in mind, to turn their hard-earned money into a sustainable yet competitive franchising business. Their mission: to create a fast and friendly environment that serves quality-based fresh mango milkshake, great customer service, and continually innovative products. Their vision: to expand and serve more customers and to be the first brand of choice in mango milkshake nationwide. For the Mango Royal products, they have mango juice, Mango Royal, Mango Cheesecake, Mango Plain, Mango Strawberry, Mango Choco Chips, Mango Banana, Mango Graham, Mango Oreo, and Mango Mix. For the franchise package, the total investment package for inline store is worth 298,000 pesos, excluding the construction cost. The contract term is 3 years, and the renewal term is 3 years, with 50% renewal fee. The continuation fee is worth 4,500 pesos per month for the trademark and after-sales support. For the franchise package inclusions: number 1, use of trademark. Number 2, site approval. Number 3, training for franchisee and staff. Number 4, procurement program. Number 5, opening assistance. Number 6, operations manual on loan. And lastly, number 7, research and development. For the franchise application requirements, please prepare and submit the following. Number 1, accomplished application form. Number 2, 2 valid IDs. It may be SSS, Voter's ID, Postal ID, your passport, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, or UMID. Number 3, accomplished market study and site analysis form with the actual photos and measurements of the area. And lastly, number 4, draft list offer per contract from the lessor if renting. For the franchise application procedure, Step 1, submit the requirements. Step 2, initial interview. Step 3, propose site for evaluation after franchise application approval. Step 4, awarding of site and presenting franchise disclosure. Step 5, payment and contract signing. Step 6, store construction and training. And lastly, Step 7, store opening. For the frequently asked question. Question number 1. What are the requirements needed to acquire the Mango Royal Milkshake franchise? Answer: franchisee may or may not have an experience in managing a similar business. However, one must have the dedication to succeed and to learn more about the business. Question number 2. Do you provide location for interested franchisees? Answer: each franchisee is responsible for securing his or her own outlet. The sites chosen should be submitted to the franchisor that is subject for evaluation and approval. Question number 3. What is your minimum required space? Answer: the required space should be at least 8 square meters to have enough working space. Question number 4. Who will provide the layout design of the outlet? What about the construction cost? Answer: they will guide and provide you the layout design. However, the construction will be at your expense, which includes building permits, professional fees, and other accidental costs. Question number 5. Will you provide assistance in permit processing such as DTI or SEC, BIR, and etc.? Answer: the processing of all the permits and licenses needed is a responsibility of the franchisee. However, the processes and guidelines in securing the permits and licenses is thoroughly discussed in the provided operations manual of Mango Royal Milkshake. Question number 6. Am I required to purchase all the supplies and equipment needed from the franchisor? Answer: yes. As the franchisee, you are required to purchase from the franchisor or the accredited suppliers. They will be providing you the procurement program to guide you upon purchasing all the supplies that you need to run the franchised business. Question number 7. What about the training? Answer: training programs will be provided as they accept no compromise when it comes to the quality of their products and services. It is for the reason that they design their own training program and they require the franchisee and his staff to undergo their orientation and training program. Question number 8. How long will it take to recover the investment? Answer: it depends upon the financial viability of various factors such as sales, investment, and ability to effectively manage the expenses. This will be discussed further during the franchisee interview. Question number 9. Will you help your franchisee in managing their outlets? Answer: as a franchisee, you have to be in total control of managing your own outlet. The franchisor will be providing support, assistance, and sharing his or her experience for the success of the franchised outlet. Question number 10. Do you provide manual for the actual operation? Answer: yes. The franchisor will provide you with an operations manual to help you on all the aspects of franchise business day-to-day operation. Question number 11. How much is the renewal fee? Answer: renewal fee is 50% of the prevailing franchise fee. Question number 12. Does Mango Royal Milkshake charge royalty? Answer: no. Mango Royal does not charge for royalty fee. Number 13. How long is the ROI, return of investment? Answer: the return on investment will take 12 to 24 months. Question number 14. What is the overall estimated capital requirements? Answer: capital requirement is at least 550,000 pesos. Depends on the store construction cost. For the contact details, please contact Mango Royal Milkshake with the address El Sol Food Park, Barangay 3, Cabuyao City, Laguna, Philippines. You may send them an email at mrm@mangoroyal.ph. You can also visit their website at mangoroyal.ph. You can also visit their Facebook and Instagram account at mangoroyal.ph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Mango Royal Milkshake franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.